Oceans cover 70% of our planet, filled with life and wonders. These ecosystems are now facing enduring challenges, leading to biodiversity loss. To address these challenges, we need a deeper understanding of the biology of these ecosystems. This means open, easy access and interconnected data, methods and technologies. The MARCO-BOLO project brings together scientists, observation technologies and stakeholders to unify observations on the biodiversity of coastal, marine and freshwater ecosystems. These projects will test new technologies and workflows to improve the observation of these ecosystems. We will test how accurately the collection of environmental DNA can inform us about what lives in the water, how underwater cameras and acoustic sensors can tell us more about aquatic life, and how images from satellites can add valuable information to biodiversity observations. The data will be standardized and easily accessible via a central system, open for all to use. Initially focusing on Europe, the project aims to align with international data standards, facilitating global observation of life in the oceans. Biodiversity stakeholders will continuously co-design the project and its outcomes through the MARCO-BOLO community of practice. This ensures that the data products are readily usable by the scientific community and policymakers. By enhancing the collection and access to biodiversity data, MARCO-BOLO will contribute to science-based policies that protect and restore ocean health. MARCO-BOLO, strengthening biodiversity observation in support of decision-making.